Best deck to hit Ultimate Champions with.
Let's go!
This deck uses the new reworked Furnace to defend and to provide offense at just for Elixir. Placing Furnace in the back isn't a bad play, because it's able to provide either chip or force out some sort of response from your opponent. In this case, it can fully counter Electro Dragon while taking no damage, Skeleton Barrel to provide pressure and to not leak. Was there not 7 recruits? Goblinstein to not leak and for upcoming Night Witch. Cannon Cart High for Lumberjack and Night Witch. Ability for chip damage. Recruits to defend Giant. Furnace to help clean up. Those recruits get a lot off shit on the right tower. Dark Goggins to support Furnace. Bart Monkey gets a hit off. Goblinstein to defend Lumberjack. Cannoneer should clean everything up. Since we have about even damage on both lanes, I'd rather go on the side where my tower has more health. Cannon Cart for Furnace. Furnace for Giant. Goblinstein for Push. Evo recruits to deal with Giant. Dark Goblin to defend. Evo Skeleton Barrel to apply pressure. That all gets cleaned up by Cannoneer. Recruits once more for Giant. Cannon Cart for Evo Lumber.